Can you grow pineapple in Northern California? Well, obviously you can, because as you can see right here, I have one. This is a very rare type of Hawaiian pineapple. It's a hybrid. But yes, you can grow pineapple in Northern California. Hi, my name is Jeff, and welcome to the Tropical Garden Guy channel. Today we're going to explore my experimentation with pineapples here in Northern California, Modesto, California, Zone 9B. But first, if you like this channel, if you like growing exotic tropical fruit trees in marginal climates, make sure to click the like, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. Comments and questions, leave them in the comment section below. I do my very best to get back to everybody with their comments and their questions. So let's take a quick look at my pineapple growing, and we will discuss some of the trials and tribulations that folks may have when trying to grow pineapples in this chilly Northern California climate. So let's take a look at this guy right here. Now this guy is it's a no-namer. Mainly reason why I call it a no-namer, and most of you that are experienced with pineapples can tell me what kind this is. This one was a special one that I got from Hawaii, and I think that it's patented, so I really can't mention the name. But I used a piece of the top that was, whenever they market these pineapples, they will cut the top off. Well, there was a little tiny piece left on there, a little tiny piece of the top, the crown, and it had a bud on it. And from there, I did some special things to get it growing, and we'll do another video on that later. But yeah, as you can see, even if you just have a tiny piece of the crown, you can grow your own pineapple from it. The problem is, though, guys, is that most people start pineapples from store-bought fruit. And unfortunately, that store-bought fruit has crown rot in it. If you can pull the center out of the pineapple crown, it's got crown rot in it. And I do have a little something that will help with that, though usually once the young crown has crown rot, it's kind of hard to recover from that because that's Phytophthora. I believe it's Phytophthora. And let me show you one of my pineapples that I've got growing here. See, some of the pineapples I grow in pots and some I grow on the ground. Now, I got these guys over here, and these guys did just completely fine. I didn't cover them this winter. They're growing in a raised bed. And as you can see, you know, the tops are, the crown's nice and firm, no crown rot out of these guys. This guy's in a pot, same deal. No crown rot. Take a look down there. There's no crown rot in this. And this pineapple plant's been outdoors all year long. Now, I did put them close to the house so that they wouldn't freeze, and we weren't really that cold. But this year, so they didn't freeze. Pineapples can take probably down to 25 degrees if they are close to a structure, such as that wall, or such as you know, the wall of your house or something like that. But take a look at this one. Well, first off, I'll show you what crown rot looks like, and I'll explain why this one's got it. See right down here, these guys, it just rots out. The center rots out, but as you can see, it's firmed up. How did it firm up? Well, I use a certain chemical, and let's go back over here. I use a certain chemical to help protect my pineapples from crown rot and Phytophthora, and it's this stuff right here. And I know you guys have heard this before. It's garden floss, and you have to apply this as directed. I do it at least 3 times a year while the roots are growing on the plants that I use it on. In this case, pineapples. I also use it on avocados and plumeria, stuff like that. But take a look at this pineapple that I have growing, or I had growing, and the wind blew it off. I'm not sure if it's ready to eat. This is my variegated wild pineapple, and it's beautiful plant, very dangerous to grow, but it's also probably the most hardiest that I do grow. I've actually had these fruit without using garden floss, and they survived our winters, and I'm not sure if the fruit is sweet or not. I will test it out. Right now I can't do it because I don't have my camera lady with me, but I will test this out in a future video. But yeah, pineapples will grow in Northern California. They don't like to be kept wet during the winter time, and they don't need a lot of water. Just if you get a chance and you find a good crown on a store-bought pineapple, and they're getting hard to come by because they, like I said, they get crown rot just sitting in cold storage, I think. Find one that the center does not pull out or has not pulled out, or if you know somebody that has existing pineapples that they've grown and they don't have Phytophthora, then you can use those. And then you want to mix a very light mix. A seed starting or cactus mix is what I use. Has to be at least 3 gallon size. You could use a little organic fertilizer. They don't require a lot of fertilizer and they don't require a lot of water. But yes, you can grow pineapples in Northern California. My name is Jeff. If you like this channel, if you like growing exotic tropical fruit trees in marginal climates, make sure to click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Comments and questions, leave it in the comment section below. I do my very best to get back to everybody with their comments and their questions, and you have a wonderful day.